General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Wednesday the 5th. See here. I think we can say this would be the low. We kind of got a Wednesday midweek reversal vibe. Next target will be Monday high. This is a old level. Kind of don't need that. But now it's just time to load up. So let me find a circle. This will be our anchor point here. I don't like Asia's making lows. We learned that lesson when it was going up. This don't look safe. Yeah, keep that there. Yep, everything is lined up. It's confirmed. I'm expecting it to be on Wednesday. Inspection is playing out. No, terminus is not hit today. Yeah, the only thing I don't like about this delivery is Asia is the low. This H1 old low. Okay. This is an old order block from a long time ago. I like high prices. The only thing I don't like is Asia. Asia making that low. Asia low is a week. see this. Broke that. Do this here. I like how we did that order pairing. Flat bottom. This volume imbalance is respected back through previous week's low. We got previous week's high here and Monday's high here. This order block, they got used Monday. This rejection block got used. Oh snap! I'm gonna do that. Take off this rejection block. This was the last high ran. We need a close above here. Really? How this delivery started here? This is the draw. Excuse me. I'm yawning and burping. Okay. Let's see. Right here. DOL. Yeah, don't try to finger. So we're looking at Mondays. No, it's really Tuesday's open price or Tuesday's high. Tuesday high next on the menu. Know how it opened and dropped and didn't even create a wick. That's a daily flat bottom or flat top. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. So employment data, it's not good, but it's not bad. I need to. We still got higher to go. It's interesting to see us like almost fill this up completely. All right, so we got wigs, but we still don't have down candles here. So let's say if I made this color, then made this color. Let's go with 40. Hold on. Yeah, we still need down candles there. That's interesting to see. And this is a very large up candle, but from here, it kind of looks like we have us a wick at the top. Let's see what the futures chart say. Let's see what AQ say. Hold on, wait. Let's zoom in. Let's go like this. Hold on. Where's the hide the drawings? Oh no, that's the drawings. Keep drawing, lock all drawings, hide drawings. I want to hide the indicators. Where's the hip there? Here it is. It's pretty flat. I don't see no wick up there. So it counts. I don't know why it look like he got a wick on this feed though. Maybe it's just it do. It's a noticeable wick too. I'm not tripping. Yeah, but it's still a flat bottom, a flat top. Control Z. I don't know what I did. I think high for now. I like targeting. What's that, Tuesday's high? It's a flat top. I also know this, I believe this is a new week opening gap. It's still not balanced. Silver's kind of pumped in Asia. The best move of the day. London didn't do anything. This little time in between be good for silver, I noticed. Look at this. Smooth move. Smooth move. I can't see way back there, but a little time. Then New York, small range, small range. Like, I like this for swinging, but this don't even look, it don't look cool. Trading these highs and lows to get you these scalps, though, it's definitely scalpable. Because look at the structure. We broke the high, retrace. Break the high, retrace. Like we're finna retrace, maybe break some more highs. The ranges just look, they don't look good. Took out Tuesday high. I think Tuesday could be the low of the week here. I want to see a break above Tuesday, above previous day high and hold. Then I will. Well, actually, I like buying now the retracement. Like if we go up under PM session, but I don't like how they already used that gap. So I'd rather just go up, create a fresh gap, and then get in. Took out Tuesday high and retraced. I think Tuesday could be low of the week here. Previous day high. Be okay. Good fair value gap to buy. And target Monday high. Let's go to the hour. What's this, the news candle? Yeah. News open price came, kind of melted a little bit. Here. Yeah. And me see, where was I at? Here. It's almost to Monday's high, but I don't trust it. And it's silver. But I'll look for buys here. I can buy here and lower and target just right above this high right here. Right when we get up in here with this new week opening gap, like all this, especially this big juicy candle here, it's dangerous. We can sell. Like I wouldn't even trust it going past here. Just a nice size, nice little box here. I should save it. I'm gonna save it as the red box. Yeah, I definitely watch out for this area though for sales. But retrace here, like buy here, makes sense. Let's make a blue box. Yeah, that works out cool too. Yeah, so I'll look for buys up in here. Let's put the eyes. Bing, bing. Look for ideas to target here. Let's see. Buy retracements here. Makes sense. I still don't think it's ready to go to the moon yet. I would look for sales. At the red box. Okay, here we go. If we retrace first, buy setups in the blue box to take the target would be ideal. And let's just make sure all of this is anchored to the right time frame. Yeah, still a little more buys. We still got this daily fair value gap. This actually looks interesting right here. Is this a low resistance liquidity run too? Let's look for money. Okay. Oh, it needs to be on top. Yeah, those highs do make too much sense. And it would actually put me right here, which is 49.58. Relative equal highs. Let me copy this. Relative equal highs. Bam. Okay, now let me get the picture. Can't have too many things on a clipboard. Oh, Control Z. It's a good target if we get a fair value entry. Let's go to EU. Let's go. All right. Save. Nothing day on EU. Like, you see that chart and you be like, man, and we had news. Like, it just didn't care. Look at that. It pushed down, took previous day's low and wicked, and it may have moved like 5 pips or whatever. And price did nothing today. Even with the news. Zero. Let's go here. Yeah. Look for higher. I could bank on Wednesday being the low and it just playing out weekly profile logic. So, like, this ain't moving though. This has to be the target. Just cause it's not moving. Hope for like 20 pips. The ranges are too small. Very small ranges. This thing is waiting on the government. Shut down trauma to be over. Because there's no reason for a chart to look like this unless it's like NFP every day. I bet EG. I want to look at EG because their government's open. This the last low we broke. Looks like we broke this low. Every level is hit except for this one. Go ahead and complete the CSD. And we shouldn't have to come back. We need to get above this one. It's just going to be the kicker. Watching this one. If we can break above this down candle and start stacking order blocks, reclaim order blocks all the way up to the draw. I think the dollar, I'm still waiting on the dollar to hit that. Yeah, the dollar still ain't hit that. So we still waiting on the dollar. To hit buy side liquidity. That alert still hasn't went off yet. All right. Framework played out. What did I learn about myself? Can't say really nothing new. Nothing new. What will I watch for tomorrow? Continuation. All right. That's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.